Hello everyone. In this video, I will discuss another very important chapter in legal reasoning for CLAT, that is the law of torts. What is tort? Tort is a civil wrong where some legal right of the plaintiff has been violated and some injury has been caused by the act or omission of the defendant. In law of tort, the plaintiff can seek damages, that is unliquidated damages or compensation, but no punitive damages is available under law of torts. The law of tort is based on the principle ubi jus ibi remedium. That means if there is a legal right, there is a remedy as well. Now, to understand the concept of legal right, we have to understand two maxims. One is damnum sine injuria, another is injuria sine damnum. What is damnum sine injuria? When some damage is caused but no legal right has been infringed, it's called damnum sine injuria, and no redress is available in this situation under the law of torts. What is injuria sine damnum? When some legal right has been infringed but no actual damage has been caused, it's called injuria sine damnum, and it is actionable under the law of torts. Now we will have a further discussion on this through some examples. Question number 1. Which of the following is not a requirement to establish negligence in tort claim? Number 1, duty of care. Number B, breach of duty. Number C, causation. Number D, intent to cause harm. Now look, in tort, the defendant has to owe a duty of care towards the plaintiff, and he has to make a breach of that duty. So, the right answer will be D, intent to cause harm, because intention is not relevant in tort. The intent or the guilty intention or guilty mind, or what we call mens rea in law of crime, is not relevant in law of tort. So the right answer will be D, intent to cause harm. Now come to the second example. In which of the following scenarios would the plaintiff most likely succeed in a claim for strict liability? A dog bites a person because it was provoked by that person. B, a manufacturer produces a car that has a hidden defect leading to an accident. C, an employee at a bakery accidentally drops a cake on a customer. D, a person falls while walking on a wet sidewalk. The right answer will be B, a manufacturer produces a car that has a hidden defect leading to an accident. Why? Because the manufacturer owes a strict duty of care towards the plaintiff, whoever it is. He cannot afford to make such mistake. So, in this particular situation, the principle of strict liability will be applied, and the right answer will be 2B. Now let us come to the third example. Which of the following represents an example of defamation? A false statement made about a person's financial status that causes harm to their reputation. B, a casual comment made about someone's hairstyle. C, a person shoving another on the street. D, posting a picture of someone without their consent. Now you have to understand what is defamation. Defamation is the publication of some spoken or written words, or in any other form, a kind of publication by a person which lowers the reputation of another person in the society. It must not be a true statement or just an opinion made in good faith. It definitely should be an untrue statement or a kind of deliberate description or some content which evidently lowers the image or reputation of the person in the society. So here the right answer will be A, a false statement made about a person's financial status that causes harm to their reputation. it has to be damaging to the person's reputation. Now, which defense can be used to negate liability in a negligence claim? A. Comparative negligence. B. Intentional infliction of emotional distress. C. Contributory negligence. D. Both A and C. Students, negligence is definitely a breach of duty by the defendant. But what is contributory negligence? Contributory negligence is the contribution of the plaintiff himself in the act of negligence. And what is comparative negligence? It's the way of measuring the shares of contribution both by the plaintiff and the defendant in a particular act. So here the right answer will be D, both A and C, because both comparative negligence and contributory negligence can be used as a defense to negate liability in a negligence claim. Now finally, the legal concept of vicarious liability refers to A. defendant's direct responsibility for their actions. B. An employer's liability for torts committed by an employee during the course of employment. C. The liability of multiple defendants in a tort case. D. Liability that arises from an act of God. Students, what is vicarious liability? Vicarious liability is when an employer becomes equally liable for the torts committed by the employee during the ordinary course of his employment. So here the right answer will be B, an employer's liability for torts committed by an employee during the course of employment. So dear students, I hope you have already understood the basic concept of torts. Students, the CLAT examination is not very far and the other law entrance examinations are also there. So don't be late, hurry up and make yourself prepared. And in course of your preparation, if you need help, please don't hesitate to contact Clatter Law Institute. We are here to help you with our whole heart. Thank you.